Well, I've had a wonderful afternoon this afternoon, a real afternoon that's testament to the power of community action, because I've been here on the Swansea Canal in Clydach at the opening of phase 2 of the Clydach Lock restoration scheme, which is an incredible piece of work that's happening. So much potential, so exciting for the future. And also the opening of the Swansea Canal Society Centre down in Clydach, which is a wonderful resource for the community. Canals, they run through our communities, they provide us with an amazing green space where we're close to nature, where we can cycle, we can walk the dog, we can run, and also take in all that the canal has to offer in terms of the potential of the waterway. So well done to everyone. Llongyfarchiadau mawr. I'm looking forward to seeing what is next for the Swansea Canal.
So what we do then, we have aqueduct coming across underneath the 465.